Joined on the program by a star who certainly got the nation's circuits all wired up. Comic timing, boundless energy, and lots of talent. And please welcome Arshad Varsi joining us now on the program. Arshad Varsi. Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Now, before we unleash Cyrus upon you, let's just do some serious thinking about the environment. I know you were really into the environment at one point. You were really worried about it. You used to really get sleepless nights about global warming and stuff like that. How serious do you think it is?
I think it's a huge problem. It's a huge problem. The first time I got the fright of my life, honestly, is when I went to Goa. And there was a beautiful beach there, Aguada, where I used to go there. I've been going there for the last 20 years. And go and check it, doesn't exist anymore. So there is no beach. The water's come up. So yeah, it is scary. It's really scary.
About you believe the doomsday scenarios that are being painted, that you could actually have glaciers melting,
yes.
60 million people in India going without water,
100%.
Rivers drying up, all of that
100%.
is possible.
Yes, if we don't stop, yes it will. It's just simple. I mean, water is going to get hotter, it is going to expand, the glaciers are melting, it's just getting back to us. And we are no one. One little wave and we are done, we are through.
We quite often say, it's not our fault. Global warming is not our fault. Somebody else did it. But maybe we should take the lead in cutting down on carbon emissions and maybe shame the rest of the world.
You cannot blame anybody else. It's your fault. Each one of us is responsible, including me, including the man who probably talks about environment, everybody. I think if we really look into ourselves, somewhere down we get up in the morning, yes, we are doing something wrong all the time. I'll tell you one little thing that I do. Whatever, I go to my office on a cycle. I try and use a cycle as much as I can. I've got a lovely folding cycle that goes and carry it with me upstairs. So I would say, like Bangalore had started, you know, they had little tracks of cycle. I don't know, why don't they have that in every city? A lovely little track. Yes, we have a problem with the heat and all that. Something, I mean, it'll work.
Ashar, if you're shooting in Delhi, for example, and you're in Mumbai, would you still take the cycle?
Yeah, that depends if I have that much of dates and if I have no time.
Don't answer the question. I'm the
I
silly
will
guy.
take you.
You need a driver for the cycle. Fair enough. I can understand that.
Yeah, but it's not. We're not really ready right now for cycling.
That's why I said folding cycle. I carry it with me.
Folding cycle, carry it in the back of the car. Right in the back of the car.
Put in the aircraft.
You know, we've been discussing this entire thing about global warming for a long time. Whose fault is it? Gandhigiri for that? Tell the rich countries, we will be the first to take the lead in that. Is that something you tell the Indian politicians?
I think so, but I think also, like you said, it's just not a local issue, so let's not get competitive. I don't want to fight with anybody over it.
We are still not as bad as probably US and...
We're not as bad as
because many people can't afford a car. That's the good point.
Maybe we are forced to be good.
Yeah, you're forced to be good.
Just forced to be
and
good.
many people can't afford to eat or
there is
use
no
electricity.
There is no electricity.
So in a way, our negative is also a positive. I like the way you're thinking.
I know.
Vikram, you're losing us.
If I can just butt in at this point, we do have a caller standing by, Divya, calling in from Kolkata. Divya, you have a question for Arshad?
Yeah, hi. I just wanted to ask, like,
Arshad,
since you must have been all over the world, which place do you think is most environmentally friendly or green? And what do you think India needs to do to get there?
Which place is a little difficult to say because there are, I mean...
where all have you been? America?
No, yeah,
Southeast Asia?
See, there's a small little kind of a national park which is about 3 hours drive from Frisco, which is called Yosemite. That place by itself is very good. They don't allow you smoking, they use natural light, it's absolutely green, and they are very particular about it. I think, I may not be very good at it, but I think, if I'm not wrong, Norway is also another place that is quite good with all these things. What we should do is start simple things, yeah. Electricity means a lot. Cars mean a lot. I think if you can share a transport, it helps. If you can use less of cars, it helps. Try and use natural light, that helps.
So basically, what you're saying is, all of us, and we've been talking about this for a while now, take the green pledge. And that I think is what this Greenathon is all about.
Get serious about it, because you will die. You are going to
Are you going
die.
to take the green pledge right now?
Yeah.
I
You're
will.
gonna die.
I will physically go out from tomorrow and try and make a difference.
Damn, I will.
All right, he's taking the pledge.
got
Are you
to.
taking the pledge out there?
Got to
Take
do
the
it.
pledge right now. Make a difference in your own life. You'll be surprised
Yeah.
at how that Gandhi
I want a
goes
better
out.
world for my child. Do it.
And I want a better world for your child as well. Because I don't like my child.
And on that note,
Irritating.
what we're going to get you to do is, we're going to get you to sign this lamp.
That's it, I don't
because
get it.
this is what we're auctioning.
Auctioning.
I think this is a very
Sign it down there. We're going to auction
poignant
this.
moment. Arshad, it's 25 rupees for the lamp. But whenever you want to, it's no hurry.
You can check.
After my autograph is 5 rupees.
And remember, this and all other such lamps are being auctioned on IndieTV.com. Just log on. You can bid for these lamps. And that money, of course, will also go to Terry's Light a Billion Lives campaign, which is what this is all about. And we're going to continue to try and...
And if you're lonely and you feel socially awkward, remember, walk around with this and the girls love it. Am I right, Arshad?
I'm sure.
Ladies just absolutely follow you. I've noticed a difference
I want
immediately.
2 of them.
2? Ladies or...
Arshad,
Yeah.
you're going off to perform right now. You want to give us any sneak ideas as to what you're going to be performing for
I
us?
don't know. I know one thing. I'm going to enjoy myself and get beaten up and thrown. I don't know what I'm going to do because I haven't really rehearsed a lot. So don't kill me and don't hate me if I'm not very
No one's
good.
going to kill you. No one's going to hate you, Arshad. Thank you so much for
Pleasure.
coming and joining
Pleasure,
us.
pleasure.
And after the break, Arshad all set to rock on the dance floor. Keep watching.